when we're translating, we have to look out specifically for certain phrases because they tell us both either based on grammar or based on math, very specific things to do with the expression. So from, then, and to are our switcheroo words. From, then, to all tell us that actually the order of the expression is going to flip. And I'm going to explain exactly what that means here. So if I have this expression, 12 subtracted from a number, just grammatically what that really means is that I'm taking some number if I were to directly translate that over top of this sentence, it would say 12 subtraction, so the subtraction symbol from a number would just be x at the end. So this order is actually incorrect just based on what this actually means. If I take 12 subtracted from a number, it really means I'm starting out with a number and subtracting 12 from that. I have this amount and I'm taking 12 away from that number. I'm starting out with that and I take away 12 from that. Subtracted from really is going to flip the order of the two things on either side of it. So anytime you see one of those words, from, then, or to, the parts of the expression on either side of that, here it's the 12 and the number. Here I have a number less than, that is one phrase by itself. The number less than 26. These two pieces on either side of that phrase, the 26 and the number, flip-flop spots. So instead of being at the end, the 26 jumps to the front. It's a number less than, it's some amount less than 26. It's 26, and then I take some amount away from that. Same thing with this phrase, added to. If I have 8 and it's added to some number, it's actually not really written in this order. I have some number and I'm adding 8 to that amount. So these words from, then, and to, whatever's on either side of that expression, this part of that phrase, flip-flops. So the 8 starts out in front, now it jumps to the back. The X starts out at the end of the sentence in words, but in the math sentence, it jumps up to the front.